What is up, y'all? Happy Saturday. So today I've been making oxtail, and I actually already started and I wasn't recording, and I was like, let me record me making oxtail because my oxtail is so good. So I'm about to show y'all everything I put in there so far, and I'll probably just like vlog the rest of the day and then post this video. So let's get into these oxtails. All right, so first y'all added 2 packs of this A Dozen's Cousins Jamaican jerk seasoning. All right, and then I added some gravy master browning. Then we added some allspice and Chinese 5-spice seasonings. And then we added a little bit of canola oil. And then I already added my onions and some habanero peppers. So now I'm gonna add these green onions that I already chopped up, and then I'm gonna chop up this green pepper and garlic. All right, let's get to chopping these green onions in here. Y'all been cleaning all day. Ooh, I took the pillowcases off my couches, my couch pillows, washing dishes. I have so many dishes, y'all. I still gotta do another freaking round in the dishwasher. And really today, I need to do a bunch of stuff with my business, but you know, I just feel like cooking, cleaning, and stuff for real today, honestly. I don't feel like working too hard today. I hate cutting up garlic so much. So I never really cut up that much because like it's just such a pain. Like I need to start buying pre-cut garlic. So I don't cut it up too small either because I just ain't got time. I ain't got time. So here we go. I already put 1 garlic clove in there. I put like 4 garlic cloves. Could definitely put more, but I'm gonna take the easier route and just add some garlic powder. You know, oh my goodness, y'all. When people tell me they have nasty oxtails, I'm always so flabbergasted because how? Like how could your oxtails be nasty? I never really get it. Just make sure you clean them good. Add some vegetables, seasoning. You know, look how good those look marinated. Ugh. So with these oxtails, I'm making oxtail grilled cheese, I'm making them on a roll. Oh my God, y'all, they're gonna be so good. They're gonna be so good. I think I'm gonna make some cabbage to go with them. I really hate doing this with my hand, honestly, but I don't have any gloves, so. All right, so now we're gonna let those marinate for a while, and while they marinate, I'm gonna go work out. Y'all, before I work out, I need to eat something. So I have this salmon that I made yesterday. So freaking good. I know it's ghetto. I didn't take it out of this thing I had it stored in. But y'all, so I saw this lady on TikTok, and she cooked her salmon upside down in the oven, like skin up, and she broiled it. And now I can never eat my salmon any other way. Like, it is so good. Like, there's no words. So I just add a little bit of sweet chili sauce on top. Y'all, I ate so much salmon yesterday. Oh my God, it's so good. And then I got my little journal here. So I'm gonna do a little journaling before I work out. Yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. Oh my God.
Rap while I retire, now I'm paper dropping fire. Sharing my life story and getting my niggas so. Mistakes I made with money that just left a nigga broke. Been fresh in the streets, now I focus on my folks. Raise hustles with folks, told niggas do's and don'ts. Most talking about that bullshit, can't be trusted with a $10,000 package. Damn, you boys disgusting. I'm lounging down.
Yo, my camera is bugging. I don't know what the hell. All right, y'all. So, what the hell? Come on, bro. Stop. Why is he doing that? Why is he doing that? Are you okay? Oh my gosh, y'all. Come on. Please. Please. All right. Anyways, y'all, my nails look so crazy. I have been wearing fake nails my whole entire life, right? And a few months ago, I was like, I'm gonna take a break. And my nails just won't stop breaking. Like, I put nail hardener, nail growth, I take MSM vitamins, take all my vitamins, and it won't stop breaking. I think the thin part maybe is not done growing out yet, but I'm like this close to going to get some fake nails because this right here, why is the camera doing that? Please. I'm about to go get fake nails put on because like I cannot take this no longer. It's so tacky. You know what? This is a sign that I need to go just charge my camera and take a break, and I'll come back after my camera's charged some. Ooh wee, do you guys see these oxtails? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh, hold on. Flip them all. So I'm trying to hold the camera and flip. Y'all, these oxtails smell so phenomenal. I need to get a spoon. Hold on. I just like to put some of the juices and veggies on top of the oxtail. Y'all, they look so good. So now I'm just gonna put them back in the oven for like another hour or two. And I'm gonna get some more work done while they cook. Can y'all see? Yeah, all right. So I love ice cream, y'all. But I try not to buy it anymore because I don't want to be like real big back, you know. So I make it myself with my Ninja Creamy. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make my ice cream. So I got my almond milk, and I'm gonna add about that much, about a cup. Then I'm gonna add my Vital Proteins protein powder. I like this protein powder because it's like very mild tasting. It's so good. It just blends well with like any type of smoothie or ice cream or anything. And I just add 2 scoops. And then I got this PB, what is this called? PB Fit peanut butter, whatever powder. Delicious. All right, so I just add 1 scoop, or not even a whole scoop of that, like a half a scoop. And then the part that makes it sweet is adding the condensed milk. This is like the main part. All right, that is enough. And that is it, y'all. What is that, like only 4 ingredients? And then like once it's frozen, you gotta let it freeze for like 24 hours. Then I add like Oreos, or I add cookies, or I add fruit too. Tastes good with fruit. So I'm gonna just put it on this thing, blend it up. So the Ninja Creamy comes with like these jars, and you fill it to this fill line here. Smells lovely. All right, so I'm just gonna fill it to the line. Should be perfect. Yes, perfect. I made the most perfect amount. Oh my goodness. Bam. And then I'm gonna put it in the freezer for a day, and then I will have my own protein ice cream with with 50 grams of protein in here. All right, y'all, so I decided to make some cabbage. I forgot I had cabbage in my refrigerator that I was juicing, but I didn't juice some of it, so I'm gonna make cabbage. I've never made cabbage before. I just looked up a recipe real quick. So I just add some salt. Already added butter. Ooh. Now I'm gonna add garlic powder. And then the recipe said add olive oil, but I don't have any olive oil, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this truffle oil that I have. Just a little, because baby, this is expensive. That's enough. And then the recipe also said add apple cider vinegar. I think I'm supposed to add lemon too, but I don't have lemon, so I'm gonna add lime. Ooh, girl, ooh. So good. So I added just a little bit of the juice from the oxtails. I'm back, y'all. So the oxtail is absolutely delicious. I feel like I could cook it a little bit longer, but if I'm being honest, I don't feel like it right now. I'm hungry. It's getting late. So I'm gonna put, oh shit, it's so hot. Ooh, so good. I'm gonna put some oxtail in my roll. These are the best rolls, by the way. They're brioche rolls. Damn, this is hot. Brioche rolls from Whole Foods. They are so good. So I'm gonna just put a little oxtail. I'm gonna layer it. Then for the cheese, I use this sharp cheddar. So good, from Whole Foods. And then Colby Jack, really good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna layer the cheese, the oxtail. This might be too much damn cheese. But then I'm gonna add more oxtail on top. Y'all, this about to be so good. Oh my God, this is too much cheese. But this is about to be so good. I don't like a whole bunch of cheese. Like, to get those really nice cheese pulls, I feel like you gotta put so much cheese. And I don't be wanting to put that much damn cheese. I'm gonna put a little pepper, little onion. Oh my God. I feel like that's enough meat. Let's see. All right, let me finish putting all this together. I'll probably take away some of the cheese and then I'll call y'all back in a second. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is an oxtail roll on brioche bread with cheese, oxtail onions, and peppers. I know this is about to be good. Oh my goodness. This is all I got left. I done devoured this. I should have put more oxtail on my sandwich. But I got a lot left in there, so. I almost burnt it, but it's so good. Like, the flavor is so good. All right, y'all, this is the end of this day. I will see y'all again tomorrow.